Welcome to a new video. Today I will take you to Wahiba Sands. Wahiba Sands is a desert located 191 kilometers away from Muscat. The region was named for the Bani Wahiba tribe divided between the northern and southern governorates in the eastern region. After a long 3-hour drive, we finally reached the entrance point of Wahiba Sands. From there, we changed cars and then headed to Wahiba Sands.
Okay, so after a long drive, we reached to this camp where I believe we're gonna stay for the night, and we're gonna stay here for a while, and then we're gonna go sand bashing.
And that's what we did. We spent some time in the hotel and then we went for sand bashing.
It's going to die. The car is dying.
I feel like it's going to come down anymore.
Wow, so fun. The car is also drifting on this.
Go down now?
Yeah.
Oh no.
The sand bashing was fun. The car was going upside down on sandy slopes and the feeling was great. After taking some photos there, we roamed around for a while.
Okay, we did some dune bashing just now and it was crazy. We went over dunes like this. Absolutely crazy dunes.
The drivers of these cars are very skillful. They know how to drive safely on these very steep sandy slopes. We also took pictures of the beautiful sunset, which you can see very clearly from the desert. It was getting dark. The time had come for star watching.
Okay, so we just had dinner and now we are in the middle of a desert looking at stars.
From this desert, you can see spectacular views of the night sky and the stars because there is no light pollution at all in this desert. At the camp, we also saw a glimpse of Omani culture through their music and dance. That was it for the night. This is a new day and we did 2 more activities. One of them was sandboarding.
Oh my god, this is so impossible, man. We are climbing up there. I wanted to go like
Sandboarding is similar to surfing, but it's on sand dunes, as you can see in the video. The last thing we did is called quad biking. It is basically a four-wheel drive vehicle designed especially for off-road driving experiences. For me, this activity was the highlight of the trip. And finally, here are some views of the campsite we stayed in. That's all for the video. If you like more of this kind of content, then please subscribe, give it a like, and of course comment below how was the video. Thank you for watching and meet you next time.